Oh, people are in line. People are in line. Oh. Excuse me? Do you have Scribblenauts? I mean, not Scribblenauts. Sonic Boom Rise of Lyric? Okay. Oh, it looks this. You have Duck Hunt, Demon Watch, and some other things I don't know. And Ron, why do they even think about giving Demon Watch some, you know? I don't know. I really care. I don't really care. But we can't get this. I can't get. Like, where we go? Huh? Oh, sorry. Jacob. So just get you right. And we don't even have a 3. Sonic, we don't have a 3DS. Why are you looking over here? Because I can, Yoshi. Because I can. Wait, Kingdom Hearts 3DS? Ooh, is Oswald in it? Okay, we can't really. No. Again, we don't have 3DS. I just wanted to see. So we can look it up on YouTube. Like people are looking this up? Well, probably not. Oh, look, Lost World. My game. What? What? I'm just upset this was my last game. My last real game. Ow! And here you have Sonic Boom Shattered Crystal, probably the worst game ever created. Because it's like those kind of games. You just run, roll, and correct rings as fast as you can. It's kind of stupid. If I ever get a 3DS, I'm getting that game. Let's go, Yoshi. But I don't want to go. Yes, you do. Ask me about. Yeah, you asked me about stuff. No. Wait here or to wait a minute. What is that over there? What is it? Dang! Last time I was here. Last time we were here, that thing costed 8. And I thought I saw a Paper Mario game somewhere here. A Paper Mario game for the Wii U. Nintendo better make that. And it better not. And Peach better be a playable character in it. Me and Peach better be a playable character in it. Hey, don't pay attention to that. Don't pay attention to Marvel. Hey, look, Yoshi Woolly World. That's what my case is gonna look like. Holy smoke! What? It's ugly. Wait, what is that? What am I seeing with my gigantic eyes? Ah, come on now. It's Sonic Boom Rise of Lyric, baby. Oh, that's not what Yoshi. Wait. Oh, no, ow. There's 2 players. Awesome. We have 2-player 4-player challenges, team exploration, new adventures on 3DS, all new Ultra Beam, Regal Attack, Colossal Enemies, Recolors. Wait, Recolors? Isn't Shadow a Recolor? Isn't Shadow a Recolor View? And so is Silver.